This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Luis Fernandez. A modern work of art designed with everyone in mind. This sophisticated home boasts beautiful finishes, an inviting floor plan and soaring ceilings allowing for natural light to illuminate from impact windows throughout the entire home. State-of-the-art kitchen complete with stainless steel appliances and open concept provide for a harmonious blend of modern and functionality. Retreat to your secluded, spacious second floor master suite complete with a warm, earthy shower and separate soaking tub. Great home for entertaining and barbecues in the yard. Minutes from Miracle Mile, great restaurants and all that Coral Gables has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Luis Fernandez at 305-662-7325.